Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the left folder pane missing on Thunderbird. If you've suddenly lost sight of your folder list and can't navigate between your different email accounts or folders, don't worry, this is a quick and simple fix that will have everything back to normal in just a few clicks. First things first, open your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, you'll likely notice that the left side of your screen looks empty, where your folders should normally be displayed. This is exactly what we're going to fix, so let's move forward. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the Thunderbird window. Here you'll find the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This icon is your gateway to all the important settings and customization options in Thunderbird. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on View. The View option controls how different elements of Thunderbird are displayed on your screen, making it the perfect place to adjust what's visible in your interface. Once you click View, another submenu will appear with several display-related choices. In this submenu, you'll see an option called Layout. Click on Layout to access the specific settings that control how different panes and sections of Thunderbird are arranged. This is where you can toggle various interface elements on and off depending on your preferences. After clicking Layout, you'll be presented with additional options. Here, look for Folder Pane and click on it. This single action toggles the visibility of your left folder pane. By clicking it, you're instructing Thunderbird to display the folder list again, instantly restoring your ability to see and navigate between all your email folders, accounts, and mailboxes. And that's it. Your left folder pane should now be visible again, displaying all your email accounts and folders just as it did before. You've successfully restored this essential part of Thunderbird's interface, making your email management smooth and efficient once more. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.